Alright, hey! So today we're going to be replacing the low beam lights in my Lexus LS400. Here is my LS400. Going to be replacing the low beam lights. This one went out, so we're going to replace it. This one still works, but I don't like it because it's 8,000K and you lose a little bit of distance with your lights, so you can't really see as much. So the new ones have 6,000K. So as you can see, this one works, the fogs work, everything else works except for this side. So the bulbs you're going to buy are D2Rs. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to end up taking out the battery, and you should be able to have a little bit of room to adjust this out of the way so you can pull it out. Alright, now you're going to pull this guy out. See, there's two clamps in there, right here. Pull this guy out with this. That covers the bulb. See, there's a twisty. It's a bit of a twist to pull it out. Let's see here. Looks like it says lock. And looks like there's that there. That locks the bulb. So now there's like a little part here that locks the bulb in. Alright, so it looks like what you do is you'll see here this little tab. You gotta twist this tab right here out and down. See that? Out and down. And now the bulb itself should come right out. Here it is. Our new headlight lamps. These are 6,000K. Got these from Amazon. I can put a link in the description to the ones I bought. But they should be in here. HIB Xenon Standard. Yep, and there's two bulbs that come with them. So these ran about $25. It's also got a 2-year warranty. So here's the specs. Now to reinstall your battery. Kind of fits in the tray, it's a little too big for it, but okay, now to do the other side. So what you're going to want to do is pull this guy up, move this out of the way. You're going to pull this air box out. Do that in just a sec. So let's see here. Do this air box. This should move out of the way after you do this with a size 10. So let me pull this guy out. Take up the cap. Alright, so what you do now is you hit these two tabs, pull that out, just unlock. Let's see. There you go. Comes out like that. And there you go, there's the bulb. So, goes in like that. There you go. Here we go. This is the end result. We're at 6,000 Kelvin and I have a working low beam. So there we go. Pretty cool, huh? If you'd like to see more videos about the Lexus LS400, you can subscribe to me on YouTube. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so you see new videos when they pop up. The LS400 is coming together, and hopefully there'll be more content soon. Also, you can check me out on the YouTube channel EddieX. I've been producing videos for that channel as well. And you'll also see an introduction of me on the channel soon with the LS400. So, see you soon, guys.